So welcome students. In this question you're given that you have is iron spherical ball which is covered by a layer of ice, and that layer of ice is slowly melting, and the rate at which the ice is melting is given by dV by dt is equal to 50 centimeter cube per minute. Because the ice is melting, we used minus sign. The rate at which volume is decreasing is 50 centimeter cube per minute. That is mathematically dV by dt is equal to minus 50 centimeter cube per minute. And you're asked to find the rate at which the ice is melting, the rate at which the thickness of the ice is changing when the thickness of the ice is 5 centimeters. So if you take this diagram, so let us assume that this is the iron ball which is inside, and let us assume that the outer layer of ice has a thickness of x. So what is the volume of the total assembly? What is the volume of the total assembly? Volume is given by 4 by 3 pi times 10 plus x whole cube, right? That's the volume of the sphere. 4 by 3 pi r cube. So if we consider the total body as an entity, so the volume is 4 by 3 pi times 10 plus x whole cube. Now, what is dV by dt? dV by dt is nothing but 4 by 3 times pi times 3 times 10 plus x whole square. 3 times 10 plus x whole square times dx by dt, right? Times dx by dt. Now, dV by dt is constant. I just want to find the rate of change of the thickness when the thickness is 5 centimeters. That is, x is equal to 5. So dx by dt when x is equal to 5 is nothing but dV by dt is, which is minus 50 divided by 4 pi into 10 plus 5 whole square is 15 square. 15 times 15. So 5, 2 5s gets cancelled, 25 into 2, so 3 and 3. This 2 gets cancelled 2 times. That is equal to minus 1 by 18 pi centimeters per second. That is the rate of change of the thickness. Minus implies the thickness is decreasing. So what is the rate at which the thickness is decreasing? 1 by 18 pi centimeters per minute. That is the units which are given. Thank you.